Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this Photoshop basic tutorial you will learn about the layer window options. This is the continuation of layers class 1. If you want to delete the layer, first select the layer which you want to delete and hit the delete icon on the bottom right of the layer window. Click on the yes button to continue the process. Shortcut for delete layer is delete key. Let's undo using Ctrl and Z to go back to previous state. Create new layer and group layer option is covered in the previous class. So let's jump to create new fill or adjustments options. Click on the create new or adjustments button to open its options, then choose levels from the options. We have so many options that I will cover in the future video. Adjust the 3 handles like this to see the changes. I will explain later about these 3 values. Let's delete this level layer to get back to previous state. Another option of the layer window is layer mask. Click on the layer mask button to enable layer mask on the selected layer. This layer mask thumb filled with white color. You can hide object in the layer using black color. For that select brush tool, then change foreground color to black. Then use it like this. Now you can see black filled on the layer thumb. That area is not visible in the document. If you change black color to lighter color, object visibility will increase. If you select white color, you will get clear visibility. Click on the delete button to remove layer mask. Next option is layer style. Click on the layer style button, then choose stroke from the options. Layer style window is opened with stroke option enabled now. Set size and color as your wish. Here I set 4 pixels. Click on the OK button to apply layer style to the layer. To remove layer style from the layer, right click on the layer and choose clear layer style from the options. Next option is link layers. It is disabled now. To enable link layers, select multiple layers using Shift key. Now you can see link layers button is enabled. Click on the button to apply link on the layers. It is applied now. Link layers is almost similar like group layers. We can move all linked layers at a time using Move tool. Again, click on the link layers button to remove link option from the layers. Now we can move separately. Another option of the layer window is fill. Minimum value of fill value is 0 and maximum value is 100. To adjust fill value, click on the drop down and adjust the handle to change fill. When you adjust the fill value, you can see it affects visibility. Above the fill option you can see opacity. You can adjust opacity value like fill value. Now you may think, what is the difference between opacity and fill? I will show you. Let's apply stroke to the layer. Red circle is not visible when you change opacity value to 0. But if you decrease fill value to 0, it affect only fill color, not stroke. I hope you understood the opacity and fill option differences. Another option is lock option. If you click on this lock all option, it disable all features. For example, you can't use Move tool, Brush tool, and Eraser tool. Another option is prevent auto-nesting into and out of artboard. We need to convert this layers to artboard. For that, first unlock the bottom layer and right-click on the layer, then choose Artboard from Layers from the options. Artboard is created now. After that, we need to duplicate this artboard. To duplicate artboard, click on the artboard name, then hold Alt key and drag it. Artboard is duplicated now. Now remove circles from the artboard. Select the red circle and enable artboard lock option, then drag it to the below artboards. Red circle not visible in the below artboard because it is locked. But if you drag green circle, that is visible. That is the main difference. Another lock option is lock position. If it is enabled, we cannot move the object. But we can use brush tool and eraser tool. Also, we can apply layer style too. Let's undo using Ctrl and Z to get back to previous state. Another option is lock image pixels. If it enables, we can move objects. But we cannot use brush tool, clone tool, and eraser tools. Another option is lock transparent pixels. If it enables, we can move, use brush, and also we can use eraser tool. But we cannot push on transparent area. Also, if we use eraser tool, it will fill background color on the object. These are blending mode. Click on this drop down to open blending mode options and choose any option as your wish. Here my choice is hard light. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel to get latest updates.